Hello, how are you doing? Welcome to Verified. So, now, when is it the right time to start tracking the diversity visa progress or the status of your case? And is it too early for the diversity visa 2025 to start checking their statuses? So, you track your visa progress by going to the CEAC website and check on your visa status. It will inform you of the current status at that particular moment for your case. And this is where you go to check when it comes to the visa to the United States. And remember, guys, it's not only the immigrant visa, including the diversity visa, but also all other types of visas, that is, the non-immigrant visas. And this is where you come. You come to this website here. It is ceac.state.gov/CEAC. And as you can see, there are a list of items here, including the place where you fill your DS-260 form. So for this video, we are going to check the status. You look at this link, check the status. Then you click to open it. And this page appears and it gives you the place where you select the type of visa, either non-immigrant or immigrant. In our case, it is an immigrant. And then you put here your case number minus the preceding zeros. The zeros that precede the actual number in the case number, you remove them. And then you put the captcha. This captcha here, you type it in here and you click submit. So this is where you check for the status. And when you check your status, expect the following statuses to appear that tells you of the status of your case. The first status that you should expect is at NVC. When you check the status of your case and this box pops up and it reads at NVC, and this is where all the cases begin. All the cases, regardless of whether you have submitted your DS-260 form or you have not, this is where the cases start from. So at NVC means maybe you have not submitted your DS-260 form, or your DS-260 form has not been fully processed, or your number has not become current. Remember, it is KCC, Kentucky Consular Center, that processes the diversity visas, not the National Visa Center, the NVC. But at this moment, you'll see at NVC because they have not changed the term. The next status that you will probably get is in transit. And when you check and this box with in transit appears, what it simply means, it means that your case has become current and the embassy has availed a position for you for the interview. They have a slot for you for the interview, and therefore they have requested KCC to transfer your case. And at this moment, you should have gotten your 2NL, the interview appointment letter, the second notification letter. And it means that KCC is transiting your information to the embassy. They are transferring your case to the embassy. So when you see this, that's what it means. And then the other status that you should expect is the ready status. When you check and this box appears, it means that your case is ready for visa interview processing and you are with your second notification letter, and the dates that have been specified, you are supposed to attend your interview at your embassy. And then the other status that you might probably get is administrative processing. Now, administrative processing means that your visa is undergoing necessary administrative processing by the consular officer or by the embassy. It means you have gone through your interview and your visa has been approved, and therefore they are in the process of processing your visa to stamp it on your passport. So you'll have this status AP, administrative processing. And the other status that you might get is issued. And issued means that you have gone through the interview and your interview was successful and your visa was approved, and they are through with processing your visa on your passport and they have delivered your visa to you. So you might be having your visa at the moment. Issued means you've gotten your visa. The other status that you might probably get is the visa refused under 221G. And it will read refused. But down here, there will be this information saying your visa was refused for administrative processing. When you see refused and this information, your case was refused for administrative processing, it means you are under 221G visa refusal. And the embassy has already told you what you're supposed to submit or to add, or what they want to do for them to be able to be through with processing your case. And therefore, you'll be refused under 221G. And what you need to do is to comply with whatever the embassy will request of you. And finally, the other status that you might probably get is the refused status, and with this information that the officer has adjudicated and refused your visa application. That means this is a total visa denial and you cannot reverse this. It means they found enough proof not to issue you with the visa at the moment. You might have made some big errors. Maybe you lied or they found fraud. So under this status, you cannot change. It has been refused. Now, is it too early for the DV Lottery 2025 to start checking their statuses? Of course, yes. The CAC information that you can access through these procedures I've told you, it is only availed at the beginning of each DV lottery year. This is to mean for the DV lottery 2025, the information will be published or be availed as from 1st of January 2025. And for the DV lottery 2024, the information was availed from the 1st of January 2024. So for each diversity visa, the CAC information is availed from the 1st of January of that DV lottery year. DV 2025 from 1st January 2025. DV lottery 2024 from 1st January 2024. So it is very early for DV lottery 2025 to start checking their statuses. If you try, you'll get an error message. And that will be it for today's video. Please, if you found information, subscribe to the channel, like the video, share with your friends, and let's meet in the next video.